Hi guys, my name is Tisai and I was today cooking my boyfriend food. So let me tell, this is a special food. It's like pesto, chicken noodles kind of thing. But because I didn't have chicken, so I just buy pig pork things. So let me show you what's my ingredients here. Noodle, pork. This is a cooking creams, olive oil, pesto, onion, and chicken flavor, spicy pigs. The other food store other can. It's kind of
Ito na bunggang, ito yung luto niya. The chef, say hi. Hi.
Oh, I have.
Siya yung nagsabi na ko ano eh. Sabi niya lutuin niya daw para pagdating ko may makain ako. Say hi. Madam Tisay. 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 There's always smiling, my love. Ito na guys. I'm with Tisay. Ito yung luto niya. Delicious. So delicious, my love.
One hour later.
It's good.
Are you sure?
Yeah, this is good. Why bunggang matabang?
I saw that killing him this food.
Why? Why? So delicious. Kulang ni kuan bunggang. Kulang ng asin. Good. Why are you laughing? I think it's delicious.
You okay?
Why? It's really... Umiyak ka. Kalamansi. Still smiling. Siya yung nagkuhan eh, siya yung nag-insist na magluto. Hindi ko naman sinabi sa kanya lutuan niya. Gusto niya lang magluto. Siyempre, appreciate natin yan, di ba? Sarap. Ito yung mga ganitong pagkain. Malayo dito sa sakit sa bato. Safety to. Wala kang sakit sa bato nito.